Hi everybody. Wanted to show you these beautiful white clustered roses. They are standing tall and beautiful after a lovely rain that we had this morning. Everything has blossomed around the yard, and as you can see, all the colors everywhere, and it looks amazing. Look at these cute little artichokes that I have grown from seeds about 4 years ago. They keep coming back every year, and I am so grateful to have these. Beautiful sky and all the lovely clouds. Love this weather, and also all the blooms in my sweet lemon tree. And I wish I could send you the scent. Thank you for watching.